Which of the following describes a gorilla? A warrior taking part in irregular fighting. B, a powerfully built great ape. Or C, an Afro-Brazilian martial art. The definition of gorilla is A, a warrior taking part in irregular fighting. But how can you answer this question without prior knowledge of the word? The good news is that with questions like these, usually the other two definitions are for words that sound similar to the given word. Let's go through the choices for examples. A powerfully built great ape is, in other words, a gorilla. Although they're pronounced the same, the spelling is different. An Afro-Brazilian martial art is also known as capoeira, which doesn't sound much like gorilla, but perhaps similar enough for the test maker to include. But there's another way to eliminate this as an option. This question asks which of the following describes a gorilla. It wouldn't make sense to insert a martial art here to say a gorilla is a capoeira, just like it wouldn't be grammatically correct to say it's a kung fu or a jiu-jitsu. Therefore, an African-Brazilian martial art can be marked as incorrect, and a warrior taking part in irregular fighting can be marked as our final answer.